Wow!
สวัสดีเจ้าทุกคน歡迎大家收睇側田有你。所以如果前幾日你哋睇到呢、個posting 嘅話咧，呢、個係咪？呢個係啦，就知道咧今日我同大家講下我哋學校圖書館嘅呢個借書嘅卡啊。如果你哋有啲乜嘢問題想問，或者係有啲咩古仔想同我講嘅話，你哋可以留低你嘅口述話俾我聽。OK， 我哋多2分鐘就開始啦。9:59係啦，嚟กินแล้วไหมกินเช้าไหมไม่กินหรอกินด้วยเร็ว最近嘅天氣又真係變熱咗嘅嚇，點講呢？但係如果咁講，照道理咁講啦，應該係新加坡熱過我哋多啲，因為新加坡近住 Equator 多過我哋近住 Equator 遠啲啊嘛，佢哋仲接近過 Equator 係咪？係啦，可以開始啦。所以咧，其實如果喺我嘅印象當中咧，其實我喺小學嘅時候咧，我應該係有一張卡嘅，但係我就冇咩用嘅，因為嗰時候咧，我係冇咩，我唔係屬於嗰啲中意讀書嘅人，所以我唔係好中意去圖書館係因為有啲 subject 先至去圖書館睇下書咁樣。其實我都冇咩睇書咧，扮下嘅啫，因為嗰時候真係唔係幾中意睇書嘅，係因為嗰時候中意睇電視機多啲，係真嘅。因為我唔係屬於嗰啲 bookworm 嘅，就係對住個書就可以接收啲知識嘅，我就唔係嗰種嘅，我係比較中意睇有畫面有聲，我先至可以比較容易吸收。如果你要我死對住個書，我就係唔得嘅，因為我對住個書我就係唔係好掂啦，我自己覺得唔係 OK 啦 ，OK。所以呢個係小學啦，咁到咗中學咧，我亦記得我哋又去嗰個圖書館嗰度咧去申請一張借書嘅嗰個卡，咁嗰個借書嗰個卡咧就係有嗰個相入邊，因為佢需要你嘅 passport 相啊，佢需要你嘅 passport 相黐喺個卡度。所以如果喺我印象當入邊咧，就係喺中學嘅時候有借過1、2次啦，因為我覺得嗰時候嘅諗法係有少少想 show off 少少嘅，因為其實嗰段時間都唔係屬於中意睇書嘅嗰個時段啊。So 有時係因為呢攬啦，因為老師講到話叫我哋去借書，咁我哋就借書，逼我哋要讀嗰本書，我哋就要寫嗰本書個故仔寫啲乜嘢故事，屬於啲乜嘢咁樣。So 就會逼住自己去讀咯，但係我唔會睇晒成本咯。我記得我最高紀錄係睇一半啫初未係仲未話because of 愛上呢冧嘅時候愛借書咧，我其實都要逼自己有借下1、2本嘅，就逼自己讀1、2面之後就還翻去，因為我覺得有啲習慣係要慢慢去培養嘅，所以我係真係唔中意嗰個習慣，但我要我想做少少唔同嘅嘢咁樣咯，所以我就睇到1、2面我就快啲還翻去，因為到期咗，因為佢有一個日期㗎嘛。So 又第十丁咯，so 其餘嗰啲就係咁咯。中學就係咁樣嘅故仔，我覺得呢個故仔同大家分享應該唔係好長啫，所以我就轉台啦。So actually I was telling my audience that during my primary school, actually I'm not a bookworm, so I don't really like to read books. Okay, so even though I have a library card, but I don't usually go to the library to borrow some books in order to so I don't do that. Okay, during primary time, I don't really borrow. No, seriously no, not a single one. Okay, so yeah, that's my story in primary school. When I was in secondary school, right, I did force myself to you know, to force myself to what? To force myself to read the books, okay? So if not because of the subject Nilam, actually I won't be borrowing any books to read. So actually I did force myself to borrow 1 or 2 books so that I can be able to read, right? So I still remember the best I can do is like I can only read like 2 pages and then I'll just you return it back to the library. So as I said, I'm not really a bookworm, so I can't really read much on the book because I'm the kind of person where I need sound, I need visual, so that if these both can be able to combine, then I can be able to absorb it more easily, more effectively. So that's why. So I am more to YouTube side, more to TV side, okay? Not like the book side, okay? The book one is not really I don't really like the book more because I feel really bored for that. I can't really absorb anything from the book. Okay. So besides, not because of Nilam, and it is because of Nilam, right? The teacher did tell us that we have to borrow some books in order to read through the books, and then we need to write down the synopsis, what is the story about, what is the genre about the books. And I still remember I did borrow 1 or 2 books, and then I forced myself to read like half of it. I don't really read much because I can't really focus a lot on the books, so that's why I can't really read much. I still remember maybe I can just read like half of it. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah. That's the thing. That's the thing. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay. So I think that's all I would like to share my story regarding a library card. So if you have any story regarding on your library card, you may just leave down a message below and let me know, okay? So next week I'll be off for 1 week, for 1 day lah, okay, for 1 week. So I'll be seeing you guys on another week. So I'll see you then, okay? ขอบคุณมากครับ เจอกันนะทุกคน